Okay, hello everybody. So today we'll be making a fortune teller out of paper. And at the end of the video, it'll look something like this. Okay? That. Okay. Okay. So first off, what you're gonna need is paper, scissors, and a crayon, and that's all. So once you have all that stuff, you can pause the video to get that stuff if you want. And so first, you just want to take this corner and put that to where it looks just like this, and it's a straight line, and then it's gonna look like this with the bottom right here. Okay, so we have our scissors now. So we're just gonna cut along this line right here. Okay. To where only the triangle part is left. Okay, and then we're gonna put those to the side. And then when you open your triangle back up, it should have like a big line right there. Then where the line is, grab those two corners, fold them together, and make sure that these are good. And then once you've done that, we'll crease on this part. And then open it back up, and it should look just like a plus sign, like that. So now what you're gonna do is, you see it, there's like that little X in the middle, or something, like a dot. Just grab all the corners and put them there. And the tip of the corners right into the middle. And you can do them in whatever pattern or anything you want, okay? And it doesn't have to be perfect. And then this part, the next part might be a little hard. Don't mind that. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna hold it like this, and then try to flip it over, like that, okay? Where none of the edges are bad. Okay, now there should also be a little plus sign right there. And now what you're going to do is the same thing, just fold the corners into the middle. Okay, just like that. And then it should look like this. That's where you're going to put all your numbers and stuff. And then now it's almost done, and you just fold it like that, and then you do it the other way. Okay. Kind of like that. And then this part might be a little hard, so you're gonna try to like keep those in. And then there's like 4 little flaps right there, or whatever you call it. You're gonna try to get your fingers, get your pointer finger and thumb in there, and just try to, or whatever fingers you want, and try to open it just like this, okay? And now there's like little pockets that you can just put your fingers. I like to do it like this, my thumbs and my pointer fingers, and like put them up there by the corners. And then, so the motion that you're doing is this. That's what you're trying to do right now. And then once you've done that, you've created the fortune teller. And now all you need to do is just get a crayon and then write the numbers. Okay, just like this. And again, nothing has to be perfect. And then you flip it over back here, and then you can just write a bunch of other numbers, just like this. And then keep going. Is that a P or a 9?
9. The circle goes on the other side.
Okay, don't mind that.
Yeah.
And then, and then go here. And then just, yeah. And then what you want to do is open these up, and on the bottom, right here, you just want to write something. And there's 4 spots where you can do that. It's 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Okay? So you're going to do like whatever you want, like something good will happen tomorrow, like that. Yeah. Yeah. And you might run out of space, so you can just do whatever you want. Yeah. Okay. Just like that. It says something good will happen tomorrow. Don't read that. And then you can do like, you owe me $10 or something. So say like something like, I get $10. Just like that. Okay, and the next one, we have 2 more. We already did these 2. Okay. And now we're gonna do this one. And the camera guy / my dad just said that it should be you're super cool, so that's what I'm gonna write. Just like that. And then last one right here. This should be, what should it be? Okay, again, the cameraman just said it should be yes, so I don't know why, but that's what it's gonna be. Okay, I'm just gonna add whatever that thingy is, exclamation mark or something. And then, yeah, it should look like this in the end. And just like this, all the numbers, and then maybe ask a parent for help or something to get this back on, right? And there you go. And now you can play with someone. So that, pick a number.
1.
1. Okay, now pick a number.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now pick a number.
8.
8? Okay, let's see what you got. Or what I got. It says, ooh, you got a good one. It says, you are super cool.
Hey, I am super cool.
Whatever. And, yeah, when I had this, for this one, the example, this is what I made for some reason. I just wanted to.
Say thank you, like and subscribe.
Okay, thank you for watching my video, and a shout out to my friends Kinley, Hudson, and Amelia for inspiring me to do this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Bye.